Are you hungry for something amazing? Welcome to Amazing Food Amen. Today we are taking you on a tasty tour through Minneapolis, from juicy burgers to delicious comfort food. We will show you 5 must-try dishes that locals love and visitors dream about. Get ready to take notes because your next food stop starts right here. Welcome to Amazing Food Amen. If you are visiting Minneapolis, or even if you live here, there are some dishes you simply have to try. Minneapolis is full of tasty surprises, and today we will show you 5 dishes that are too good to miss. Number 1, Juicy Lassi, a cheese stuffed burger. Let's start with something famous, the Juicy Lassi. That is not just a popular burger, the cheese is inside the meat. When you take a bite, hot melted cheese oozes out. It's warm, juicy, and full of flavor. Two restaurants claim to be the original creators, Matt Swar and the 5-8 Club. Both spots serve this burger hot off the grill with a side of fries. Locals argue about which one is better, so why not try both? Number 2, Walleye, Minnesota's favorite fish. Next up is the local fish called Walleye. You will find it on many menus across the city, but one of the best places to try it is the Whistler Farmer Cafe or Psycho Susie's. Willie's is usually lightly breaded and fried. It is flaky, mild, and not too fishy, making it great for everyone. Many places serve it with wild rice or fresh vegetables. It is healthy and delicious, and it comes right from Minnesota lakes. Number 3, Hotdish, the comfort food classic. Third on our list is a true Minnesota comfort food, the hot dish. What's a hot dish? It's a warm and filling casserole and made with meat, vegetables, cream soup, and topped with tater tots or cheese. It's a meal that makes you feel like you are at grandma's house. Some of the best hot dishes can be found at local dinners like Keys Cafe or the Lane Hall. It's simple, tasty, and perfect on a cold day. Number 4, Wild Rice Soup, creamy and nutty delight. Number 4 is a Minnesota classic, creamy wild rice soup. This soup is made with wild rice, chicken or turkey, carrots, celery, and cream. It's thick, warm, and full of rich flavor. Wild rice grows in Minnesota's lakes, making this dish very special. Many cafes and restaurants like Hell's Kitchen or French Midi Cafe serve excellent versions. Add a slice of warm bread and you have got a perfect lunch. Number 5, Mini Donuts at the Minnesota State Fair. Finally, no food list is complete without something sweet. You must try mini donuts from the Minnesota State Fair. These tiny donuts are fresh, warm, and covered in sugar. The smell alone will fool in you. You can watch them being made right in front of you. They are served hot in a paper bag and are perfect for sharing. Can't make it to the fair. Some food trucks and cafes offer them year around. And there you have it, 5 must-try dishes in Minneapolis, from cheesy burgers to crispy fish, creamy soup to sweet donuts. There is something here for everyone. These dishes are full of flavor, history, and love from the people of Minnesota. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Amazing Food. Amen. Tell us in the comments which dish would you try first, or did we miss your favorite? Let's know. See you in the next tasty episode.